In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus in Wix Studio. Navigation menus are a crucial component of any website as they enable visitors to explore and find the content they need quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part along the way. First, open your Wix Studio dashboard and navigate to your site editor. This is where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side of your editor, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the Add button to start. This will present you with various options you can add to your web page, like text, images, and, of course, menus. Now, select Menus Anchor from the list. You'll see different menu styles displayed, from horizontal to vertical options. Choose the menu style that best suits your site's design and click on it to add it to your page. Don't worry if you don't find your perfect match just yet because you'll be able to customize your choice in a moment. Once you've added the menu, you might notice it doesn't have all the items you need. Let's fix that. Click on the menu and then select Manage Menu from the small menu box that appears. Here, you can add new items representing the different pages of your site. You can do this by clicking on Add Menu Item and then selecting the type of page or section you want to link to. You can rearrange the order by simply dragging and dropping the items. This ensures your visitors encounter the most vital sections of your website first. It's a small change that can make a significant difference in user experience, so take a moment to think through the most intuitive sequence for your visitors. Customizing the appearance of your menu is where you can really let your creativity loose. Click on Design within the menu settings box and prepare to explore. You'll be presented with several design options, including changing font styles, colors, and sizes to match your brand. Take your time here. A cohesive, professional look can greatly enhance your website's appeal. If your chosen design features a mobile view, don't forget to check how your menu appears on smaller screens. The preview option in Wix Studio allows you to switch between desktop and mobile view, ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience regardless of the device. You might need to tweak things a little to optimize for mobile, such as simplifying menu items or adjusting font sizes. Once you're happy with your menu setup and design, it's time to save your work. Hit that Publish button so all your hard work is live for the world to see. Every visitor who lands on your web page will now have an intuitive navigation format to guide them. That's it. You've successfully added and customized a navigation menu in Wix Studio. Remember, the design and navigation play an essential role in user experience, so revisit these settings whenever you update your site content. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!